It is no news that energy efficiency is on everyone's lips these days. At SMC, we can support your company in energy efficiency around your factory and contribute to gaining a key competitive advantage in today's world. That's why our team of experts offers you a menu of services related to energy assessments. This starts with a basic review of compressed air generation, where we check pressure drops and differentials, install flow meters to record data to identify consumption and peak times. SMC can review existing compressed air storage around the plant, evaluate the distribution network, and perform temperature tests, to name just a few examples. To analyze the compressed air quality, we can install test equipment to obtain a basic overview by visual inspection and identify any dew point issues. Analysis at individual machine level is also carried out, in which we record running data over a suitable time frame. SMC can record consumption data at the same time, reviewing the overall health and efficiency of the machine. In particular, we check for idling, undersized, damaged or worn components, and look for energy-intense operations such as airflow and vacuum generation in order to fully optimize operation. Finally, leakage analysis. Ultrasonic leak testing can be carried out on mainline factory pipelines and machines to prepare a report and identify potential savings. Special attention is also paid to leaks in and around the compressor room. Save costs and boost your corporate social responsibility by contacting our dedicated team of energy efficiency experts. We will enable your success.